all is well. Today I will be unboxing something authentic. If you like these types of videos where I unbox authentically the twin items, I DIY, I compare bags and do a review on bags plus more, then please like and subscribe and just hit that bell. And if you want to talk fashion style, then DM me on my Instagram at TCP_luxury. So I bought something authentic from ThaHab. I'm not sure if you heard about them. I never heard about them. They're like My Teresa, but they are located in Kuwait or Middle East, somewhere. I think that's where the headquarters are. But I did my homework. They sell authentic items. And I've been looking for these Balenciaga bags for a minute. It is a collab with Hello Kitty. And if you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. It's one of these. Yes, what are these? Sweet old cat. Hey Tawi, he's asleep, but he decided to say hi. Okay, what did I purchase? There's a lot of cat hair. Here it is. It includes this cute box. They're called ThaHab. And let me know, comment below if you've purchased from ThaHab before. I haven't, but here it is. The box is like okay condition. It arrived DHL. So let's give her an open. Is so adorable. Oh, it says ThaHab.com. I do follow them on Instagram as well. Apparently a lot of ladies purchased from ThaHab. Just I've just never heard about them. Here is the bag. It is a Balenciaga bag, and that's how they packaged it. Packaged it really well. So here is the bag. They include their dust bag. Oh, my bad. The Balenciaga dust bag. And here she is. Oh my God. She is so adorable. In the dust bag, it has like this like Sanrio limited edition type tag inside, which is really cute. So here it is. I've been wanting this for I think since 2019. I think this is when it came out with the Balenciaga Hello Kitty collaboration or project. So here's the paperwork. It's pretty much like, I think what they did was, it was the paperwork, they stapled it, and then it's just the Balenciaga paperwork. So we could just remove that piece. Put it in the box, and you can see her cuteness. She has these ties as whiskers. This is Balenciaga here, the Hello Kitty leather. It's really pretty. The bow is of leather, the ears, everything is of leather. These are prints. This is Balenciaga. The bottoms still have their little plastics. They did tell me it's brand new, so I love it. There's the back. It looks very brand new. And here is where you put the chain or the strap, which I believe is in here. So it's just one cute big opening, or small opening. Here's a strap. Get to that in a second. Oh, and here is, oh my God, I don't know if I can see that. You can see the Balenciaga Sanrio Balenciaga tag there inside. And it has the code imprinted, and it does say Balenciaga on this side. And it's like a little slip pocket here. Oh, and there's like a little Balenciaga Controlato card. I guess they have that too. Put it there, and it's another slip here with a little Q code that put over there. That's pretty much it, folks. It's like, it is brand new, like they said. Here is the strap. It is of leather. It is really cute. There's no Balenciaga on it. Okay. And I think it's the adjustable moment. As you can see, you know, evil twins, these are very loose. Authentic ones are like really, really snug and tight. this doesn't move freely. That's one thing evil twins need to get with the program and make this more snug than just falling off and loose. So we just put it there and put her here. Oh, that's cute. If you look at the, it's like cottony here, and I think I'm not seeing things, but in the zipper it says BB. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see if it'll adjust. It says BB under the zippers, like how Gucci says like Gucci. Look how adorable! Isn't she so pretty? Well, she's pretty to me. So let's just give her a try on, and she pretty much hits me here. I'm 5'4", and she hits me like right here. I probably could adjust it. 'Cause I'm a shorty. Y'all know I'm a shorty. Perfect. So I'm 5'4". I'm 5'4". My waist is here. It falls like right by my hips. It's adorable. I love it. Oh. Anyway, everybody, I hope you enjoyed. Have a wonderful day and talk to you soon. Bye.